Welcome to my channel. I'm outside because I am going to make a video about my apartment. We did recently move. Yes, my hair is pink now instead of blue. I recently just got it changed and it's pulled back. That's why it looks like this, because it is shorter, but it's not that short. It's just pulled back in a clip. Anyways, with half of it falling out. Anyways, I realize my house is never going to look the way I want it to. It's just going to be as is. It's clean, but it's not like perfect. But life isn't perfect, and so here we are. I'm outside because I want to show you the hill that I have to climb, or I say hill, it's not that big of a hill, but incline that I have to climb to get to my house. So I'm going to flip the camera if it'll let me. No, it looks like okay. So I will insert this in the beginning of the video. This is my front entrance to my house. Basically, this down here is where Brian's aunt lives. I'm not going to go into that, but this is the entrance to my house. This is the incline that I have to climb. I park down there. My husband parks down there, and this is the incline I have to climb. So we're gonna go up this incline, and I will take you to my porch. These lights are here because it is pitch black at nighttime now, and thanks to daylight savings. So these are very helpful. So this is our porch here. This is the first platform. Then you come around this corner here, and this is our porch. This is something that I truly appreciate because we didn't have this at our old place. We didn't have a place to like sit outside. We had a very small patio. This is a much bigger patio. Dustin can come outside and play. This is our view of what we see. This is our plants, blah blah blah. Not like you really care. That's Dustin's track. That's my stove. We grill outside a lot. We don't have a stove up here. There's a stove downstairs if we want to use it, but we don't hardly ever go downstairs. So this is what it looks like. And if you hear dogs barking, those are my husband's aunt's dogs. She raises dogs. So this is my front entrance. This is my door to my house. As you can see, there's a spider there. Yay. This is the front of my entrance. And here we go. We're gonna go inside. There's my doggy. Alright, so these doors I really appreciate because the blinds are inside the door. I know that's something silly, but this is my son's bed. It's right here in the front entrance. That's the best we could do. My son's books. And then over here is... that vacuum needs to go up. But this is our table. It's an antique, and it folds out when we need extra space, and it folds back down when we don't. It does it on both sides. It actually sits like 10 people because it also has a way to put leaves in the middle or whatever. So we bought it for that particular reason. When we started out, we only had this refrigerator over here. We didn't have a full-size fridge, and now we do. We bought this. As you can see, the incline that I had to bring this up here, it was a fun day to get that up there, but now we have a full-size fridge. Apparently my husband thinks we need a third chair. This is where my son's toys are and his chest of drawers. And then over here's my pantry. It's not that clean, but whatever. It is what it is. It's what I can do. My pans are down there. Over here is our couch. This was not our couch. This is her couch that was already up here. We put our stuff in storage. We have lots of things to cook with like that. Microwave, rice cooker, toaster oven, a pop toaster, and all our other appliances over there. We kept all of our appliances. This mini fridge has now become our drink fridge. So yeah, there's waters in there, blah blah blah. Up there is all our towels and stuff. That's our freezer. They originally had in our old house, our old apartment. It's a lifesaver. It was free, by the way. And all of our utensils and stuff. So, here we go into the bathroom. This is the bathroom, obviously. Yeehaw. Toilet. Toilet. Shower. It's actually a full-size tub. We didn't have a full-size tub in our old place. Here's the only working sink. Hola. With my pink hair. There's no shelves or anything, but this is the only bathroom there is. It's okay. And then in here is our bedroom. Like I said, this is okay. So over here is my husband's computer. Here's one of my favorite places. It's kind of junky, but whatever. This is where my makeup is at this point right now. You can see there's no vanity, so I have no way to sit down and do tutorials. Here's my dog's stuff. We had her up front, but she ended up back here. Our TV. And there is no central AC or heating except for these things, and they have to be on the same thing because she has 2 of them. We have 2 of them, and she has on heating right now, so that's why we have the window units. There's 1 window unit in there and 1 window unit in here. This is our bed. This is not our bed frame. This is her bed frame, but our mattress. We put our bed frame in storage. This is not our dresser either. That's hers. A lot of this furniture is hers. The clothes are ours, obviously. That's our closet. There's 1 over here. There's 1 over there. We split the closets. I used to have my own closet by myself, but not anymore. This is my second favorite place. Photos of my family and my oils down there. And that's pretty much it. And then here is the staircase down into the house. It goes down into her house, which we don't go down there very often, but she does have cable. We don't have internet. So yeah, that's that. But like I said, it is what it is. There's 2 fans to help with air, and then the other window unit is up there. Way up there. But that's how it is, and Dustin's toys are all under his bed. Lots of storage under his bed. And I hope you enjoy this small apartment. It's so we can save money to get a house. So, but yeah, it's worth it. Alright.